Let me tell you guys something. I just made the biggest purchase in my entire life. We're gonna go pick it up, but first we're gonna hit the gym before we leave to London. Alright, so we're about to hit the road, so I thought I'd show you guys today's fit. We got that Stussy SS23 jacket on. This is the, I think, over-dyed or double-dyed work jacket. We got the Rep boots on. I think these are so sick. And yeah, our train to London is in about half an hour. We're just going to head out now. That's what it's called. It's a closet. Damn it, it's a closet. Nando's, here we come. Damn, you came close. So we are currently headed to, Dylan's actually got a project. Basically shooting a trailer for what I'd like to say is a documentary of my life. It's pretty much the plan. Dylan, you're shooting a documentary. Trailer for the documentary. Okay, are we getting breakfast first? Breakfast first, and then we'll run over some notes. I'll get you to help me out on those, and then we're gonna get into it. Go to rehearsals. We're going to shoot Dylan's documentary trailer. We're gonna see what the day brings. Maybe a little bit of shopping. The best TikTokers are the ones that... Damn, so it's in there, boy. Just close this?
I think I'm going to grab myself one of those. That's fucking badass, isn't it? Use yourself and give me a little information about yourself. So
my name is Dylan Page, and I found myself to be making TikTok news and subsequently changing everything, it seems.
Alright, take care. Dylan, after that, I want to get your initial reaction.
Well, first of all, it's a bit of I'm energized, but then at the same time exhausted.
Let's go get some food and hopefully do some shopping as well if we got time. Alright, so I'm jumping in here on the voiceover because this is actually pretty crazy. So we went to do a little bit of sneaker shopping just to see what's out there now in London. Went into Foot Patrol first, and they had a lot of the recent releases, like a lot of the newer dunks. Obviously, you could still get Panda Highs anywhere you go to nowadays. Yeah, the Soleil Benberry Crocs in multiple colorways. This black pair is actually pretty fire. I should have picked them up. But the craziest thing was the fact that they're selling Yeezys. I did not know that any retailer was selling Yeezys still. I thought Adidas told them all that they cannot sell Yeezys. But here they are. I think there's 3 different models. We got 3 380 colorways and then some 350s. I've been to different retailers. I've even been to Foot Patrol after the Yeezy and Adidas split, and they took all of them off of the shelf. It was pretty strange seeing them back up now. Has Adidas told them that they can sell them? Have they just got leftover stock that they decided to put out there? I really don't know what's going on. Either way, they were the only retailer that I could find in London that was actually selling Yeezys. All of the rest don't actually have them, obviously, unless you go to a resale store. Anyway, continue with a little bit of shopping. Maddie almost bought some Panda Dunks, but I think she decided not to in the end. Mum and your 12s were sat on shelves. This was actually my size. I kind of regret not picking them up because I thought I could still get them online. I headed over to End Clothing, and they have a lot of similar stuff on shelves. This pair of Rick Owens boots, which I thought were pretty clean. I kind of like that aggressive look that they have. They looked pretty sick, especially on foot. And then these Moncler boots going absolutely hard, and even these trail grip sneakers look pretty sick. But yeah, decided not to pick anything up. That was pretty much the end of shopping. It was pretty interesting. Definitely some gems if you're out there trying to pick up some regular sneakers, or hey, maybe some of those Yeezys. Never even told you guys where we're going on this trip, but actually we'll just reveal it on the way. Should hold out for a little bit longer.
You excited? So you can tell where we are.
Pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I need to say anything.
Rain is different.
I'll sign this and then I'll check over the car, make sure it's all good.
This one? Yep, this one. So when you check the car over and you're happy, you just hit accept delivery, and then it will transfer ownership to your phone app. And you'll be able to set up your phone key.
Cool. Okay.
And once that's done, you're pretty much ready to go. Everything's
Nice.
all done on my side, so these are your 2 keys. If you have any questions, just put back in, and I'll come out with your hand. Alright, thank you.
Brand new performance Model 3.
Oh my lord.
Shut, bro. I don't know what to do.
I want to see how much food. Hey, and those trinkets in the What is this?
Alright, so we're just walking around the Tesla. We've been doing it for about 10 minutes, just making sure that, you know, there's no paint scratches or like anything wrong with it. Obviously, we know that, at least historically speaking, Teslas have had a lot of issues with panel gaps and stuff like that. That one's looking pretty perfect, thankfully. I don't think any of us can find anything wrong with it. You can see the inside of it. Super clean. Nothing wrong with the interior. We do only have 34% charge, which might be a little bit of an issue. It doesn't actually feel like it's my car. I think when I start driving it, be like Daniel Mack. Hey, nice car. What job do you do? Good lord. It's like it doesn't roll. I'm so used to it rolling like in an automatic. Alright, well, should we accept this? I think we're good, and then find a charging place.
I think we do that, yeah.
We can fiddle with all of this. I'm going to accept the delivery. This is the final thing, so now the ownership is over to me and I own the car. So welcome to the first day of the rest of your life. There you go. And now don't need these anymore. Look at the front.
About and take the first exit.
Whew, 17%.
Sorry guys.
Here we go, full autopilot mode. Damn, you gotta stand so far back from it.
To 52%.
So obviously we made it back alive. We didn't run out of charge or anything crazy like that. We did have to make one extra stop on the way back and charge it up a little bit so I'd have some extra power when I actually got home and I didn't have to immediately go and charge the thing. Currently it's Tuesday, we got back on Saturday, so it's been a couple days for me to kind of get used to the car and everything. And we do have 30% left, or 28%, and it's got the Sentry mode always on because I just want to test that out, see how that is. Actually, I got a little Sentry mode report. Let's see who was effing with my car. Did they touch my car? This is when I just see them smashing into it. Okay, that's all good. I am hyped about owning a Tesla. It's pretty crazy. There's still a lot that I need to figure out about this car. Guys, this vlog was a little bit all over the place. It was a pretty massive weekend. There was a lot that we got done. Obviously, getting this Tesla is a big milestone for me personally, and yeah, I'm loving it. So I thought, of course, I'd take you guys with me. You guys have been along for the ride on a lot of the big things that have happened in my life. Thanks for hanging out with me on this vlog. Let me know what you think of the spec that I got. I got the Midnight Silver Performance Model 3 with enhanced autopilot. Let me know what you think of that spec down in the comments. When the Tiffany Air Force Ones also dropped today, that was one of the quickest L's I've ever been handed on the Nike sneakers app. I'd love to hear if there was any of you super lucky people down in the comments that actually managed to get a W on those Tiffany Air Force Ones. And of course, I'll catch you guys in the next one.